Can go.
Oh, yay! Oh, are we so happy? Oh, look at your tail. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so big. Oh, could I have a kiss? Thank you. Are you ready to go to bed? Are you ready?
Good night kiss, he
Good
said.
night kiss.
Yeah.
I know. Oh, you're so sweet. Who is Miss Hunter? Hello, Miss Hunter. Papa. Papa went to bed. Papa went to bed.
Hi, honey.
Hi. Hi.
You ready to go to bed? Do you want Grandma to put you to bed?
You ready to go to bed?
No need to put you to bed, okay?
Huh? Huh? Papa, can I rub your tickle? Where's your tickle? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Papa, where's your tickle? Hello. I know. You love Noni tonight, don't you? Why do you love me tonight?
No.
Why do you love Noni tonight? I love you too, honey. Can I have a kiss?
Oh, that
Thank
was
you.
so
I love you.
sweet.
I love you. I love you too. That was a bite. Yeah, ow. That hurt. That's right. Don't bite.
Are you sorry, honey?
Are you sorry? Huh?
He's so sassy.
Are you sorry? That hurt. No, I'm not going to whistle with you. Yeah, it hurt. Oh, what's that? What's happening here? It's a funny bird. Look at Kilo. He's doing his splits. Look at Kilo. Look at his tickle. Look at his tickle. Hello. You are hanging onto my fingers awfully tight. Okay, I think. Okay. Sweetheart. Okay. Alright, I think I'm getting a little freaked out here.
Jump up and down, Kilo! Really happy! Are you happy? You freaked Noni out a little bit, Kilo.
Oh my God.
Did you freak Noni out? How are you? Okay, you ready to go to bed now, Kilo? Give me a good night whistle. Good night. Say bye-bye. Can I have a big kiss? Give me a big kiss. Thank you, honey. I love you. Oh, there's our good night whistle. Bye-bye. I love you. See you in the morning, okay, baby? Bye.